recipe is...
Today we're going to make pink moon, Daria.
Pink moon. Pink moon.
Do you know what the ingredients are?
Banana, strawberries. Honey oats, almonds.
And what is this?
Oatmeal.
Yes!
Vanilla yogurt.
All of these ingredients are going to go in the mixer. And we're going to make pink moon smoothie. Are you excited? We're going to use honey to sweeten it up so it tastes yummy.
This looks like this buzzing bee honey.
It is buzzing bee honey.
Let's start. Mama, you put yogurt.
Yes, so you're going to help me now.
Can I put yogurt?
Of course you can. So this is a cup of Greek yogurt. Yes, because Greek yogurt has lots and lots of protein.
That looks yummy.
Yes, it does look yummy.
It looks nice. Let's use honey.
Honey, you know how much honey you need to put? To swirl, swirl, swirl. Great job, Daria. Look at this. Drip, drop, drip, drop. Swirl the honey around. Yeah! Look!
I want the baby spoon.
You want the baby spoon? Okay, here you go. So now I need you to put 2 spoons of almonds in here. Okay, so 1. Now as a bonus, you can put in 1 more. Daria, now can you just put a little bit, I'll give it to you in a spoon. This is vanilla extract, okay? Put a little bit of vanilla extract in to give it a nice vanilla flavor.
Yeah.
Yes.
It looks nice.
Yes, it does look nice.
Can I put the bananas?
Of course you can put in the bananas. Pour it in. Let's pour in the... You have oatmeal in the morning, right, Daria?
Yes.
So what do you normally have your oatmeal with in the morning? Do you have it with strawberries?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, so now we're done with the oatmeal. Should we close the lid?
Yes.
Close the lid. And we're going to blend this.
Blend it.
Doesn't it look nice?
Yes.
I'm going to pour this. Let's do cheers. Cheers to pink moon.
The pink moon.
Cheers. Let's try this. Yummy! What, do you like it?
Yes.
When your friends come over, you can have this with your friends too, okay?
That was a very nice smoothie.
This is a great smoothie for when you have friends over or your kids are having a little play date and you just want something refreshing and healthy. This is an amazing smoothie to do that. And you can always say, cheers to pink moon.
Cheers to pink moon.
Cheers, Daria.
Subscribe.
What do you do when you're naughty?
I get upset.
What does Mama do when Mama gets angry?
Mama gives time out to Daria.